Ang gym ba ay more sa pagbubuhat ng mabigat? Let's answer this question. A lot of people think na kapag nasa gym ka, kailangan mabigat na yung buhatin mo. Kung beginner ka lang or lifestyle lang yung reason mo why you exercise, then hindi mo kailangan makipagsabayan sa ibang nagbubuhat na ng mabigat. Remember, we exercise for our health and not to please other people. So baby step lang, if beginner ka, it doesn't matter kung walang weights or body weight pa lang yan as long as na-execute mo ng tamang exercise. Sabi nga, wala ring kwenta yung exercise mo kung mali mo na-execute ito. Worst case, pwede ka pang magkaroon ng injury. Another tip, hire a coach that will teach you the proper way to do your workout. You can watch YouTube but still, during your workout, sila yung magko-correct sa'yo if tama ba yung ginagawa mo. So, proper investment for ourselves is important. Like and subscribe for more.